I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my Europe trip in the summer of 2019. Budapest was not originally part of my itinerary and this was actually a last-minute booking. Though I wasn't prepared, it didn't stop me from exploring this beautiful capital of Hungary. So this is my room in Budapest. I am currently in Budapest, Hungary, and to be honest, this is a last-minute booking. This morning ko din siya binook and I looked for the cheapest fare to get here from Prague. And nakahanap naman ako, which is from Flixbus. Budapest. Okay, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating first stop ngayong araw. I'm just not sure kung ito ba yung Fisherman's Bastion or Matthias Church.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon.
Budapest was once divided into 3 areas. One is called Buda, second is called Pest, and the third one is Buda, which means Old Buddha. Hostel now to go to Romania. Oh my God! Tulad nga ng nasabi ko, itong Budapest, Hungary is just a random city I picked, and so far I'm happy na ito yung napuntahan ko for this day kasi maganda naman siya, especially at night. Kaya lang, I only have like 24 hours to explore the city and there's much to see. I didn't see everything. You don't have to see everything naman. So, ayun. I'm about to leave and go directly to Bucharest. I hope na my next trip will be fun and exciting, and I hope I will still be safe.
Oh yeah? 14.
To Bucharest, Romania, please. So, bibili na sana ako ng international ticket to Bucharest. Pero hindi tinanggap ng system yung metro makaroon ko. I always use this whenever I travel pero hindi daw tinanggap ng system. Naghahanap ako ng wifi kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ako pupunta ng Bucharest kasi hindi nga tinanggap ng train station. Nakahanap ako ng shop na may free wifi. Gusto kong bumili ng kape. Kaya lang hindi sila tumatanggap ng cash. Kailangan ko pang mag-withdraw. Which I never did ever since I came here. I always pay with my card. So, kailangan ko na namang bumili ng ticket. Kasi yung nabili kong ticket sa Flixbus, kailangan sa Neplicet station, nasa Kelefel ako ngayon. Cash. Now with cash and ito 500 forint. So, ito na lang yung natira kong coins. So, ibili na lang natin siya ng bread. So, I only have like 230 forint and I'm gonna get this one and this one. There's one that you see. Yay, natin. Choco Max. So that is my bus at 11:50 p.m. Oh, 11:35 rather, at platform 5. Going to Bucharest.